Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 18, Unit E Life Skills. Caring is good from the book GK 3. So, caring for someone is a good thing. We always see people around us caring for each other. Our home is the best place to be safe, comfortable, and caring. Yet, another larger home is our country. And our ultimate home is our planet, Earth. What can we do in return for all that we receive from our homes? So, we are talking about caring in this chapter. Okay, तो जो केयरिंग होती है किसी के लिए भी करना ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है, हमें करनी चाहिए. ओके, हमने अपने आसपास में लोगों को देखा होगा कि वो एक दूसरे के लिए केयर करते हैं, जैसे हमारी मदर या फिर हमारे जो पेरेंट्स हैं या हमारे सिबलिंग्स हैं, एल्डर, हमारी वो केयर करते हैं. अगर हम यंगर वन हैं तो हम भी एल्डर वन की, अपने पेरेंट्स की केयर करते हैं, हम अपनी चीज़ों की केयर करते हैं. और जो हमारा घर होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा बेस्ट प्लेस होता है, सेफ होता है, कंफर्टेबल होता है और बहुत ज़्यादा केयरिंग भी होता है, राइट. ऑल्सो जो लार्जर होम होता है हमारे लिए, दैट इज आवर कंट्री, मतलब हमारा देश. ओके, और जो अल्टीमेट होम होता है हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा, दैट इज आवर प्लैनेट, अर्थ. ओके, तो हम रिटर्न में उनके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारे अर्थ के लिए, प्लैनेट के लिए या फिर कंट्री के लिए हम रिटर्न में क्या कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर सम things given or written here in the form of questions. We'll know about these things. Okay, then critical thinking. Consider these situations that arise routinely in our life. What we do on such occasions, tick the correct answer. तो कुछ सिचुएशन दी है जो हमारी डेली लाइफ में हमें देखने को मिलती है. We have to tick the option that we do. Okay, first, we made some noodles for ourselves. We put the empty noodle wrappers into the waste basket. Where will you put the vegetable waste, pea pods, onion peels, etc.? हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, हमने नूडल्स बनाए, फिर जो रैपर्स थे नूडल के वो हमने वेस्ट बास्केट जो थी उसमें डंप कर दिए. अब ये पूछ रहे हैं कि जो वेजिटेबल वेस्ट होता है, जैसे कि पी पॉड्स हो गए, अनियन पील हो गई, इनको हम कहाँ थ्रो करते हैं. वी हैव ऑप्शंस. ए, आउटसाइड ऑन द स्ट्रीट फॉर एनिमल्स टू ईट. बी, इनटू द वेस्ट बास्केट. सी, इनटू अ सेपरेट वेस्ट बास्केट केप्ट फॉर वेजिटेबल एंड फूड लेफ्ट ओवर्स. सो द करेक्ट आंसर और द करेक्ट थिंग टू डू इज टू put the waste into a separate waste basket which is for vegetable and food leftovers. Okay, now the second question. You are walking to school when you see an injured dog lying on the roadside whining in pain. You will dash. तो आप स्कूल जा रहे थे, आपने देखा कि एक डॉग जो है वो इंजर हुआ है और वो पेन में है बहुत ज्यादा. ओके, आप क्या करोगे. वी हैव ऑप्शंस. ए, अप्रोच इट एंड ट्राई टू टेंड टू इट्स वुंड बाय योरसेल्फ. बी, स्टॉप some passers-by and ask them to help the poor animal. C, continue walking ignoring the injured animal. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें हमारे आसपास में से जो कोई गुजर रहा है उससे हेल्प मांगनी चाहिए, एनिमल है उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए हमें भी उनके साथ मिलकर. ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. ओके, नाउ द third one. You are the last one to leave the classroom when the school ends for the day. You notice a ceiling fan still switched on. You will dash. तो क्लासरूम को लीव करने वाले आप लास्ट थे, आपने देखा कि जो सीलिंग फैन है वो अभी भी स्विच ऑन है, तो आप क्या करोगे. वी हैव ऑप्शंस. ए, इन्फॉर्म द पियोन एंड आस्क हिम/हर टू स्विच ऑफ द फैन. बी, स्विच ऑफ द फैन योरसेल्फ एंड देन लीव. सी, लीव द क्लासरूम एंड द स्कूल विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें फैन को स्विच ऑफ कर देना चाहिए और लीव कर देना चाहिए क्लासरूम को. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. There is some think and answer as well given. Who cares for you in your school when you need anything? The teacher or the school staff, like helpers, care for us in our school when we need anything. Then there is, remember, we have a duty towards our family, our country, our planet. Do your duty happily and humbly, and you will earn the love, respect and admiration of everyone around you. हमें ये याद रखना चाहिए कि जो हमारी ड्यूटी है, that is towards our family, our country, also our planet. अगर हम अपनी ड्यूटी को बहुत अच्छे से करेंगे, हैप्पीली, हम्बली, तो हमें बहुत सारा लव, रिस्पेक्ट और एडमायरेशन मिलेगा हमारे आसपास जो लोग हैं उन सभी से. ओके, नाउ there is teacher's note. Tell to the students about the importance of caring for someone. You should care about your things, your family members, your friends, your society and your country. Activities on creative skill. An example of a family tree is given below. Answer the questions that follow. So this is a family tree given here and we have to answer some of these questions here. So first we'll know about this family tree. First there is Vedratam and his wife is Nutan. They have 2 kids. One is boy, that is Satvik, and another one is girl, that is Jhalak, and this is the generation 2. Okay, then the Satvik married to Sarika. It means Satvik wife is Sarika. Okay, and Jhalak is married to Mayank, means her husband is Mayank. Okay, then Satvik and Sarika have a kid. She is Parul. This is the generation 3. And then Jhalak and Mayank have 2 kids, Shivam and Anvi. Okay, got it. Now there are some questions. Question 1. How is Parul related to Vedratam? So this is Parul and this is Vedratam. So Parul is the granddaughter of Vedratam, right? Then question number 2. What is the relation between Satvik and Sarika? This is Satvik and this is Sarika. So they both are husband and wife. So we can say that Sarika is the wife of Satvik and Satvik is the husband of Sarika. Okay. Then question 3. How are Shivam and Anvi related to Sarika? Shivam and Anvi related to Sarika. So she is the aunt for them. These are the nephew and niece. Shivam is the nephew to Sarika and Anvi is the niece to Sarika. Okay. Question 4. What is the relation between Parul and Shivam? So Parul and Shivam, they both are cousins. Okay. Then there is some more thing written. Make your own family tree and write down your relation with others in the family. So kids, you also need to make a family tree of yours and you need to write the relation with others as well. Okay. There is think and answer given. How many members are there in your family? So for example, I'll answer. I have including me, I have only 3 family members in my family. Okay, you can tell me your answer as well. Okay, then how do they relate to you? So you have to write the relation. So I have my mother and my sister and me. Okay, you can also tell me yours. Then there is teacher's note. Help the students to understand various relationships in a family. Tell them about the various family members and also make them learn how they relate. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.